like that much more. Boom. We're done. So I'm just going to get these logs going. It's the first part of the process. Waiting for it to catch. Here. It's coming along nicely now. Yeah, I think that's done. 2 minutes later and it's coming along nicely in there. I'm going to add some lumpwood charcoal, and basically I use any brand I can get my hands on. Oh, yeah, I need a glove. Job done. I put my ingredients on my workbench, ready for my cook. At this stage now, I'm going to add more logs. So I don't know if this will get in. Oh, that might work. Let me try it now. Yep, that worked. So I bought this Gozney dough and I've tried it out in the what oven was it? Oh, the rock Gozney. I tried it out in the rock box. It came out really fluffy and beautiful. So I did a few cooks with the rock box. Sorry about my hands, but it's difficult to get charcoal off. They are clean. Charcoal stains more than anything. Oh, it's such a spongy dough, so bubbly. Look at it. Can you see it's like a blob of blancmange? Because I'm going back and checking my oven, so my hands are always going to get like dirty every time I do that, and then I'm nowhere near a sink, but it's not dirty hands, it's just charcoaly. Right, okay, I do have a cloth here. This dough is so lovely. So it's 18 degrees today, 17, 18 degrees on my thermostat thing, my temperature gauge. Oh, this is so nice. With the wood, it's, you know, you've always got to have one eye on the wood, one eye on your pizza. But the thing is, since I've got my little outdoor wooden kitchen, and I will do an update on my outdoor wooden kitchen, I can, because I used to prepare inside and then come outside to cook, and I would be running in and out, and that was like a nightmare really. I did that for like 3 years. So I wish I'd built this earlier, because it's been so handy having it right next to the oven, like an outdoor preparation place that you can just keep here all the time. It's all ready for you to go with the stainless steel tops and everything. So nice. And I hope I've taken out enough of the moisture on this mozzarella. It's buffalo mozzarella, and I've been getting a lot of the moisture out by squeezing it with paper towel, but I hope I've done enough. I don't want it going pink in the oven. That won't be good. Salami today, just put a few of them on, and a bit of this sauce on top of the salami, not onto the dough. I've made that mistake before, putting it on the dough and then it goes into the dough and then I get like a hole. I'm not going to do that. Right, okay, let's check it wiggles. And I've got to check my oven's done. Right, so here we are with my dough. I'm actually going to have to check. Ooh, woo. With my digital thermometer. Ooh, that's super hot, but I don't want to get any hotter than that. It's a bit too hot. don't want it to be that hot. Just open the door for a minute and that'll cool down quickly. Yeah, it's cooling down quickly. Yeah, that would completely burn my pizza. But I think it's okay actually. I'm gonna go with that. And I've got to put this in anyway. I'll leave it towards the front. And the only thing, this isn't my dough. This is Gozney dough, and I know what's in my dough. Like, I don't put sugar or oil in it. I don't know what's in this, so I don't know how fast this is going to burn on that heat or cook on that heat. Maybe I should leave it go down a bit more. Just I don't want to burn the base. Oh, look how fast that's gone down. It's amazing how fast that does when you take the door off. Do you know, I think I'm going to be okay. Let's do it. Just check it's sliding off. Yeah, I leave it close to the front. Go to my see bubbling up at the back already. Like, I've never used this dough in the oven, so I'm a bit nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I can't burn this, I don't want to burn it. Okay, so that fumble with the door cost me a few burny second bubbles there. I'm going to bring it forward. A little bit more of the top there, and then we're done. Just a little bit more, like that much more. Boom. We're done. That was a fast cook. Using Gozney's dough in the Ooni Karu 16. With a wood-fired oven. I'm going to keep that flame going now because I'm going to be doing another cook with garlic bread. So I'm going to keep that going, make sure it doesn't go down whilst I check out this pizza. So it does cook very fast in wood-fired ovens. Let's have a little look at this pizza. Oh my gosh, the pizza cutting is terrible. So it came out really well, and it's all cooked. And I've got a lovely, look at this crust. Look at that. It's like, it just goes to like, it's like meringue, you know, like melt in your mouth. It goes to like the big bubble goes to a little bubble. It's so, so melt in your mouthy. Oh, try that bit. Mmm. Very nice. I don't know if it's because I don't eat much salt, but I feel it's quite, I can taste a lot of salt in the crust, and and I have low salt in my crust. So I don't know if this is the salt that's making this easier to stretch. It might be the secret ingredient that makes this easier to stretch. I don't know. Or one of them. Maybe I need to put more salt in my dough, but I'm really not a fan of like the taste of salt overwhelming the other flavors in the dough. But it might be a reason why this dough is so beautiful to stretch. I don't know, but it is quite salty for me. But other than that, it's beautiful. It's so nice though. Well, I destroy those pieces there. I'm going to save these for my family. So this is really lovely. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you did. Smash the like button. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.